The material composition is the same, but its mechanical properties are different in every direction. Refers to the tendency of solid materials to return to their original shape after forces are applied on them. When the forces are removed, the object will return to its original shape and size. Refers to the stress at which a material begins to deform plastically. Answer the following questions. The ability of the material to absorb energy in the plastic range. The ability of the material to absorb energy in the elastic range. The term which refers to the ability of a material to deform in the plastic range without breaking. Identify the following. It is the point through which the resultant of the resistance to the applied lateral force acts. The point on a structure where the resultant vertical force acts. The distance between the center of mass and center of rigidity. Which of the following can be measured by a seismometer? Which of the following refers to the flexibility of a structural system? The stress point where a material will have appreciable deform when small amount of stress is experienced. The ability of the material to deform in plastic range without breaking. The greatest stress that can be applied to an elastic body without causing permanent deformation. One in which the lateral stiffness is less than 70% of the stiffness off story above is called a lateral displacement of one level relative to the level above or below is called Which of the following best refers to the rigidity of a structure? Which of the following best describes liquefaction? If two springs with stiffness K1 and K2 are arranged in parallel, which of the following gives the combined stiffness K? The point through width resultant of the resistance to the applied lateral force acts. The point on a structure through which the applied seismic force acts. Refers to the flexibility of a structure. When a material is subjected to repeated cycles of stress of strain, What causes its structure to break down, ultimately leading to fracture? When a material has to support a load for a long period of time, what causes it to continue to deform until a sudden fracture occurs? In what condition is a material when it breaks down and deforms permanently, even due to a slight increase in stress above the elastic limit? Equivalent spring constant in series. Equivalent spring constant in parallel.
Additional terms.
It occurs when a building period coincides with the earthquake period. It occurs when the structure's center of mass does not coincide with its center of rigidity. Slope of the straight line portion of the curve, or the ratio of stress over the strain. The maximum stress a material is capable of developing. the stress at which the specimen actually breaks. The property of a material to withstand high stress without great strain. Implies the absence of any plastic deformation prior to failure. The property of a material enabling it to undergo considerable plastic deformation under compressive load before actual rupture. Ratio of the failure stress to the allowable stress. The condition that renders the load-resisting member unfit for assisting further increase in loads. Is a ground-mounted device which measures the actual displacement of the ground with respect to a stationary reference point.
Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.